Hey, welcome back to my kitchen. My name is Shanae and today I'm going to share with you my all-time favorite cookies, almond cookies. These cookies are gluten-free, dairy-free, egg-free, and chewy and so delicious. Don't take my word for it. Check out what my readers are saying who tried this recipe. They're insanely delicious. But most important fact is that this is super easy recipe to make. All you need is a bowl and a spatula and very simple ingredients. Let me show you. You will need almond flour, honey, butter. I'm using butter today, but my recipe calls for coconut oil. But I'm out of my coconut oil and I'm minimizing the grocery ones, so I'm using butter, which works perfectly. And you need salt, vanilla extract, baking soda, and today I'm adding chocolate chips to my cookies, but you can also add coconut flakes. You can also add quick oats, really delicious. This recipe is very easy to customize, by the way. You can add, like I said, coconut oil or butter. You can substitute maple syrup for honey. You can do whatever you would like to add into your cookies. So let's get started with the cookies. You will add almond flour, and we're gonna add baking soda. Mix it up so that baking soda is mixed, or a little bit salt too. And what we'll do is simply add the honey and butter and we'll mix it up. And vanilla extract. You can use almond extract too. A lot of readers commented that they add vanilla extract and almond extract, which sounds delicious, and I actually did try that. It complements almond flour. It's really good. And if you find that the batter is too dry, you can feel free to add a little bit more oil. The recipe is really flexible and forgiving, but usually this ratio works perfectly fine. I weigh all the ingredients. That's it. This is the consistency of the batter. Not too wet, not too dry. And once everything is mixed, I'm going to add the chocolate chips. Oh, reserve some so that we can top on the later on, just for decoration. So to shape the cookies, I use my handy cookie scoop. This is a medium size. With this cookie scoop, you will get about 16 1-inch cookie dough balls. And we'll just go ahead and arrange them on 2 baking sheets lined with parchment paper or silicone mat. I like to use my silicone mat for these cookies. So with these cookies, you do want to flatten them because they don't flatten on their own. So make sure to flatten it with spatula. You can also add M&Ms, by the way, when sometimes for my kids, I like to add M&Ms because they love the colors. And now we can just go ahead and dot some chocolate chips on top if you feel like it. Just makes them prettier. So I preheated my oven to 350 degrees now, and I'm going to bake it for about 8 to 10 minutes. Watch them and see if they're nicely browned, golden brown and crispy. You'll take them out and then rest for 5 minutes on the cookie sheet, because when they come out, they will be kind of soft and fragile. But if you let it rest for 5 minutes on the hot cookie sheet and then transfer into a wire rack, they will firm up and be really delicious. But I'm gonna show you after they come out of the oven. So my second batch just came out and cooled for about 5 minutes. Like I said, the cookies are pretty fragile and soft right out of the oven, but they firm up as they cool. So we'll transfer it here. My first batch has been cooling here and they smell so good. I wish you can smell it here. It's just nutty. The caramelization from the roasted almond flour and honey. It just really delicious smell, and I cannot wait for you to give it a try. They do firm up, as you can see, pretty well. And let's give it a quick taste test. They're so chewy and crispy at the same time. So delicious. Do make this as soon as possible. Try it and then customize it to your liking with coconut flakes, with quick oats, whatever you would like to add. It will be amazing. Some people add raisins. If you like raisins in your cookies, it would be perfect too. So I just can't wait for you to give it a try. I also have 2 other versions on my website of this cookies: double chocolate almond cookies and hazelnut coconut cookies. They're so delicious too. So give them a try. Please let me know if you give it a try, because I love hearing from you, and hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye.